Hello, this is Heather with KeepItSimpleSocialMedia.com. And today I just want to talk about the Help Center on Facebook. I'm on my business page right now and I had a question and I thought I would go to the Help Center and see if I could get my question answered. So what I do is I go to the top little drop down arrow here, I click on it, and then I just click Help. And today I noticed that Facebook has changed the look and feel of their help center, and actually I quite like it. And I had a question about managing my page. And then it gives me my options for choosing from. And here's one here, how often should I post on my page? And then it gives you lots of information. So if you have a little bit of time, by all means, go into the help center and just snoop around a little bit and get comfortable with the things that Facebook would help you with. This is Heather. Have a great day.